Can machines outsmart us? Will artificial intelligence surpass human intelligence? Are we on the brink of an AI revolution that will change the course of human history? The debate is on. AI versus human. From chess to complex problem solving, machines are learning to think, adapt, and innovate at an unprecedented rate. But what does this mean for humanity? Will we be replaced by robots, or will we find a way to collaborate and create a brighter future together? The answers lie ahead. Subscribe now and join the conversation. AI has made tremendous progress in recent years, from beating humans at complex games like Go and chess to performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, like image recognition and natural language processing. But what makes us think that machines can outsmart us? After all, humans possess unique qualities like creativity, intuition, and emotional intelligence that AI systems haven't fully replicated yet. We spoke to leading experts in the field, and here's what they had to say. AI has the potential to excel in specific domains, but human intelligence is incredibly diverse and multifaceted. It's not just about processing power or data, it's about understanding context, nuance, and complexity. However, AI is rapidly advancing, and machines are learning to learn, adapt, and improve at an unprecedented rate. It's possible that future AI systems could surpass human intelligence in certain areas, but does that mean they'll outsmart us? AI is already transforming industries and revolutionizing the way we live and work. From diagnosing diseases to driving cars, machines are augmenting human capabilities and improving outcomes. But what about creativity? Can machines really outsmart us when it comes to art, music, and literature? The answer is, they're already collaborating with us to create something entirely new and innovative. AI-generated art is pushing the boundaries of human creativity, and machines are even composing music and writing stories that are indistinguishable from human creations. However, as AI becomes more powerful, we need to address the ethical implications. Who's responsible when an AI system makes a mistake? How do we ensure that machines are aligned with human values? The good news is, we're already working on these challenges. By collaborating with machines, we can create a future where AI enhances our humanity rather than replacing it. AI is also revolutionizing education, making it more personalized and effective. Intelligent tutoring systems are helping students learn faster and better, and AI-powered adaptive learning is making education more accessible and inclusive. But what about the impact on employment? Will machines replace humans in the workforce? The answer is, it's complicated. While AI will automate some jobs, it will also create new ones and augment human capabilities in many industries. The key is to upskill and reskill, to work alongside machines and augment our human capabilities. By doing so, we can create a future where AI enhances our productivity, creativity, and innovation, rather than replacing us. AI is already saving lives in healthcare, diagnosing diseases more accurately and quickly than humans, and developing personalized treatment plans that are tailored to individual patients' needs. The question of whether AI will ultimately outsmart humans entirely is multifaceted. While numerous experts predict that AI will indeed surpass human intelligence in certain domains, it may not universally excel in every aspect. Rather than envisioning a scenario of AI dominance, the real narrative might revolve around humans and AI collaborating synergistically. Picture a scenario where AI adeptly manages tasks like number crunching, freeing humans to channel their energies into creative problem-solving endeavors. This collaboration between human ingenuity and AI precision forms a potent partnership, unlocking unprecedented potential and efficiency. By leveraging the strengths of both entities, we can navigate a future where technological prowess complements human creativity, leading to groundbreaking innovations and advancements across various domains. And finally, AI has the potential to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges, such as climate change and sustainable energy. By analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns and solutions, machines can help us create a more sustainable and equitable future. The truth is, AI and humans aren't in a competition. We're complementary. By working together, we can harness the strengths of both human and machine intelligence to achieve incredible things. Thanks for watching. The future of AI and human intelligence is exciting, uncertain, and full of possibilities. Subscribe, like, and press the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest tech adventures.